Before the roller coasters and water slides dominated the skies of Silverwood, there was a train, a small village, and planes.
All right, is everybody ready for an air show?
As visitors sat on the Main Street lawn, they would watch vintage airplanes loop through the air and perform death-defying maneuvers at breakneck speeds. For 8 years, Silverwood was the only theme park in the world to feature daily air shows for its guests. However, due to some close calls and a tragic air show crash in Spokane, we decided to ground the Silverwood Air Show in 1996. But in 2021, the spirit of those shows will return in the form of a new stunt plane-themed roller coaster. Jump into the cockpit of a Pitts Special biplane as this single-rail coaster climbs over 105 feet into the sky and dives towards the earth below. Experience hairpin turns, aerobatic maneuvers, and 3 inversions as the coaster speeds through heart-stopping obstacles before returning back to the hangar. Get ready to hold on tight and take flight on Stunt Pilot, opening summer 2021.